today we are going to be doing another video, and it's very special, and it's an unboxing video, and I'm going to unbox the Calico Critters Easter set. And there's my Barbies. Girls, look what I bought for you. Whoa, that's so cool. And I'm going to hide the eggs on Easter morning. Let's open it up. Let's see what it comes with. Comes with all of this. It comes with a little bunny, a basket, and the little trinket. Let's keep that up there. That was just a little bit of cardboard. Okay, we're getting the set opened. And the set is open. It comes with this little Calico Critter thing. Magazine for Barbie. Let's get it open. Okay. Little Barney. Here she is. Put that there. Here she is. She's really ugly, adorable. And soft. Look, little basket. Okay, girls, you go one off. Barb, I am too old to celebrate Easter. There's only 3 eggs anyway. Okay. Even out. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna need some help opening up this. Wait there. Hold on, guys. I need help. Okay. This girl is gonna open it, and she has the same exact thing. She's gonna open. Thank you. Okay, let's do all this candy, guys. Okay, skip everyone else. Nah. Put that in the pink bin. Look. This and that bin. look like. Maybe a purple one. That one has to close, I know. Maybe the lollipop goes in this one. Or maybe put this in home. Alright. Okay, Skipper, go hide that egg. Okay. Two eggs left from the last Easter. I'll go put these from the last year of Easter. Ready? Go back. Skipper, go hide that egg. Maybe I'll share this one. This will not close. Let's work on putting the. Okay. Okay. Still think it's like a mantle. And put this one. Wait. With that. We'll hide this one. I don't know, in the toilet. And then the little pink one, we'll put this little candy inside. Oop. And put the little dot on top and hide it. I don't know, maybe it's like girls, come on. But Chelsea, we have a big surprise for you. The Calico Critter. So cute. The Calico Critter set. Oh, a little chick. Chick, chick, chick. My basket. Okay, this is my basket so far. Who cares? You can just find all the eggs. Okay, whoever finds the pink one wins. Okay, crack this one open. A lollipop. Crack. Okay, let's find the next egg. Refrigerator. Chelsea, were you spying? You're so good at that. No? I was. You might need to hide the next egg. And a little pink candy. Okay, found the little pink candy. See? Little candy. Eggs there. Last one. And this Stacy's been. Where could that be? In the toilet, how about? I found an egg in the toilet. In the toilet. I told you I just found an egg in the toilet. If you see it's a little sloppy. I'm the champion! Okay, now this is my surprise and I'll look what's in it. Catalog. Ooh, this is big. Bigger than I thought. Huge. Enormous. It's as tall as a new giant. This is so tall. Look. So many play sets. That was our video today. Bye.